Welcome back to Pens, Planners, and Productivity. Since we last talked, I filled in my August page. I put the birthdays and classes that I have, and I also filled in my goals. So here is Monday. I filled in all of my tasks and I check them off as I complete them. I like to use markers that kind of match the theme. If you want to use just a black pen or a black marker, that is fine too. This is the way I like to do it. So I'm using kind of a brownish that matches the browns and oranges in some of these pictures. And I picked a green to check off when I'm done with the tasks. So I finished that one, and as soon as this is done, I finished that one. I did a home workout, so I will also color that in. And I haven't filled in anything for Tuesday yet. I usually do that first thing in the morning, so you will see that tomorrow when I come back and show you how that got finished. It's Tuesday, and I got everything done on my list from Monday. I did my home workout, and I've written out everything that I wanted to get done today, and I've already been to the gym. So it's late on Tuesday afternoon, and let's check off what I actually got done. I recorded my long form video. I edited and scheduled the video. I wrote my LinkedIn and Facebook posts. The only thing I didn't get done was to create the 3 shorts from the video, and I'll do that tomorrow. It's Wednesday and I'm finished with my class. So what I'm going to work on now is doing a LinkedIn post. It's one of the posts that I created here. I just have to create a picture for it and upload it. Okay, and I also need to record and publish the short, which is this video that I'm recording right now. Oh, and I also created the 3 YouTube shorts that I needed. It's Thursday after my Excel class, and yesterday I did post my LinkedIn post. And of course, I was recording the video when I wrote this down, so that is also done. Today, I'm going to do a Facebook post. And just like the LinkedIn post, it's already written. I did that on Tuesday, so I just have to post it. I'm recording this video right now. And I want to write the first draft of a product launch guide for something I'm working on. And I'm just going to abbreviate it to PLG. And I may have to put in the notes what that means because sometimes I forget. Okay, it's Friday morning and I want to talk about Thursday. I did my Facebook post. I recorded the video. I wrote the product launch guide. What I didn't do is do my home workout. After my class, I meant to do my home workout. Sometimes I do it right before lunch. I started working on something, and by the time I thought about it, it was too late in the day. So that one will not get filled in, and that's okay. Now let's look at Friday. Today, on my Pens, Planners, and Productivity channel, I posted the video for week number 2. And there is a little sneak peek of that. I'll put the link to the video in the description. So these are the things I need to get done for Friday, for today. This video is already published. It was created and scheduled, so that one's already published. I'm recording this now and I'll finish it up later. And then I'm going to put all of those daily shorts together to create a long weekly tasks video. Okay, I'm going to finish up this recording right now, and then I'm going to use this video with the rest of the daily shorts to create the weekly video. So that one will be checked off as soon as that video is finished, but I have to finish this one first. Thanks for planning with me, and I'll see you in the next video.